Are you tired of making a mess every time you rinse vegetables or drain pasta? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best sink strainers for vegetables that can make meal prep faster and easier. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Blue Ginkgo Oversint Colander. This expandable kitchen strainer is designed to make washing and draining fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more quick and effortless. Its adjustable design extends to fit most kitchen sinks, giving you extra workspace while keeping your countertops dry and organized. The evenly spaced drainage holes allow water to flow out quickly while preventing smaller foods from slipping through. Made from durable, BPA-free material, it's lightweight, easy to clean, and built for everyday use. Whether you're rinsing fresh produce or draining cooked pasta, the Blue Ginkgo Oversint Colander is a practical kitchen tool that adds convenience to every meal preparation. Number 2. The Collapsible Colander Strainer with Extendable Handles. This versatile kitchen colander is designed to make rinsing and draining fruits, vegetables, pasta, and other ingredients quick and hassle-free. Its expandable handles extend to fit over most kitchen sinks, giving you hands-free convenience while keeping your countertop clean and dry. One of its standout features is the collapsible design, allowing it to fold flat for compact storage in drawers or cabinets, making it perfect for kitchens with limited space. With a generous 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for preparing family-sized meals. The evenly spaced drainage holes provide fast water flow while securely holding your food inside. Made from durable, food-safe materials, this colander is lightweight, easy to clean, and built for everyday use. If you want a space-saving, practical, and reliable kitchen strainer, this is an excellent addition to your kitchen. Number 3. The U.S. Kitchen Supply Stainless Steel Mesh Colander Strainer. Built from premium stainless steel, this durable colander is designed for fast, efficient draining and everyday kitchen use. Its fine mesh basket allows water to flow through quickly while keeping even small foods like rice, berries, quinoa, and chopped vegetables securely inside. The expandable rubber-coated handles extend to fit over most kitchen sinks, giving you hands-free convenience while rinsing and draining. With a generous 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for washing vegetables, draining pasta, rinsing fruit, or preparing large family meals. The sturdy stainless steel construction resists rust and is built to last, while the reinforced frame provides extra stability during use. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality mesh colander that combines durability, convenience, and excellent performance, this U.S. Kitchen Supply model is a fantastic choice. Number 4. The Over-the-Sink Expandable Fine Mesh Colander. Designed for everyday convenience, this versatile strainer makes rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more simple and efficient. Its expandable handles adjust to fit most kitchen sinks, creating a hands-free workspace that keeps your countertops clean and organized. The premium fine mesh design drains water quickly while securely holding even small ingredients, making it ideal for everything from berries and rice to leafy greens and pasta. Built from durable stainless steel with comfortable rubber grip handles, it offers excellent stability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or cooking for the whole family, this over-the-sink colander is a practical kitchen tool that saves time and makes food preparation easier. Number 5. The RSVP International Endurance In-Sink Mesh Colander Strainer Basket. This compact yet highly practical colander is designed to fit directly inside your kitchen sink, making food preparation cleaner and more efficient. Made from high-quality stainless steel mesh, it's built for long-lasting durability and excellent resistance to rust and everyday wear. The fine mesh design allows water to drain quickly while securely holding small ingredients like berries, herbs, chopped vegetables, rice, and pasta. Its stable feet keep the basket slightly elevated from the sink surface, improving drainage and helping keep your food cleaner during rinsing. Beyond washing produce, it can also be used to collect food scraps during meal preparation, helping keep your sink organized and reducing cleanup time. The open design provides easy access to your ingredients, while the dishwasher-safe construction makes cleaning simple after every use. If you're looking for a durable, space-saving, and versatile sink colander that makes everyday kitchen tasks easier, the RSVP International Endurance In-Sink Mesh Colander Strainer Basket is an excellent choice for any home kitchen. That wraps up our top 5 sink strainers for vegetables. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to check out any of these products, you'll find all the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.